Python gives us the tools to define new classes, which can be completely novel or based on existing classes. Class definitions are introduced by the class keyword followed by the class name. By convention, the new class name in Python uses camel case, sometimes known as Pascal case, with a capital letter for each and every component word. Since classes are awkward to define at the REPL, we'll be using a Python module file to hold our class definitions. Let's start with the very simplest class, to which we'll progressively add features. For this module, I'll be using the PyCharm Python IDE so that it's easy to follow the code examples and their use in the REPL. In this example, we'll model a passenger aircraft flight between two airports by putting this code into airtravel.py. The class statement introduces a new block, so we indent on the next line. Empty blocks aren't allowed, so the simplest possible class needs at least a do-nothing pass statement to be syntactically admissible. Just as with def for defining functions, class is a statement that can occur anywhere in a program and which binds a class definition to a class name. When the top-level code in the air travel module is executed, the class will be defined. We can now import our new class into the REPL and try it out. The thing we've just imported is the class object. Everything is an object in Python, and classes are no exception. To use this class to mint a new object, we call its constructor, which is done by calling the class, as we would a function. The constructor returns a new object, which here we assign to a name f. If we use the type function to request the type of f, we see that it's of class airtravel.flight. The type of f literally is the class.